Sanibona, welcome back to your channel. I'm Yabonga Kulu, guys, for coming. Thank you so much. Please do kindly subscribe, like the video, and share the video as well. So I just want to talk about indaba Gogo Scott no Gogo Maweni. Can't I pay? Like really now, I pay indaba Gogo Scott no Gogo Maweni because right now ngithingi ba busy ngithola na Gogo Scott no live uveza zonke indaba za Gogo Maweni ukuthi unama court cases, Gogo Maweni wabulala umuntu. Ubhuti wakhe uyazi wake angazi wake testify against yena owahamba njani epolice station against Gogo Maweni ukuthi uyena wabulala uzibani like inkulu into kaGogo Maweni noGogo Scott bafowethu, like it's going too far, like it's honestly going too far. Kanti kuba ngwani labo gogo ababili? Izinto eziveza uScott is just a lot. Azizukushiwo yimi, I will play ama clips wakhona. Uzathi mangashona yena kwaziwe ukuthi uGogo Maweni ngoba angazi ukhuluma ukuthi ungangifunele inkabi mina ntontoni. Like I think she said something about moving there. Ungathi uyamove, mhlawumbe it's all about ukuba seyifuna yonke into kulula kanje. For ini you guys labo gogo ababili hayi bafethu. Okay, nangu Gogo Scott live uveza izinto eziningi ngoGogo Maweni ukuthi wabulala umuntu angazi indoda kaPrecious yini, like yo for ini kanti siyodlula nini la we hayi ngeke bafethu
in court to prove it. Ngicela ukhiphe lama case wami othi nginawo we-rape, ukhiphe ama case number, ukhiphe ubonke ubufakazi. I'm doing it for my son. I-case number yokuqala ne yaseMondo, it's 53/05/2021 eMonjo Police Station. Cases 2336/06/202 eEldorado Park, right? Any case futhi it's 336/06/202 5305/2021. These case numbers, i-case yakhona kuloku akutholakala ubufakazi, loku akiwi indawo, kuloku kuyaphithizela kuyalela le kukhishwa imali nangapha. uPrecious akanamali. I've known this for 2 years. Yes? Angaze ngamthreatenisha ngayo. Angaze ngakhuluma ngayo. Nangizwe uthi ngithini? Angaze ngamthreatenisha, angaze ngakhuluma ngayo. I-case yokuqala it's 53/05/2021 eMonjo Police Station. Enye case 336/06/2021 eEldorado Park. Yes? So bengicela, the first case it's murder. The second case again it's murder. Again, they know your own brother sent a DM. I'm gonna share screenshots. Ubhuti wakho aconfessa. Ubhuti wakho lo wena obhizi ohamba nawe manje. Uphane statement sakhe because uke wadakwa confess. I've known this for 2 years. Angaze ngikhuluma. You should have spoken about me, not about my son. Boy, if mommy has to follow you for this, I'll follow you, mfana wami. Ungangikhashela inkabi mina. Take me to court if I'm lying about this. Lo sisi bekakushuta izangoma zodumo. She has a clip. Ngicela ikhiphe. Sorry ukumfaka. Ngicela ikhiphe. She has a clip la you were confessing. Ukhala sezikubambile ipoko zabanye abantu. Ukhala wena ukhalela ukuthi wabulala ubani. Guys, khulumana ngifuna ukuba ngedwa. Yes, ngingakhuluma ngedwa la ku social media, but inbox me. Ngicela umndeni wakibo lethwasana ungi-inbox. Pressure la ubhuti wakho asho khona ukuthi vele you admitted udako utshwala wa admit ukuthi wena ubulala indoda yaPrecious. Precious, ngicela ungene kule live sis. Ngicela ungene uzikhulumele. The state is failing you right now because is failing Precious right now because uloku uthenga amaphoyisa wena. Guys, if anything happens to me, you must know she's responsible or the husband is responsible. Wena, your own brother washaya indoda yakho. Indoda yakho bebangayifune kini bafuna ukuyixosha, but because he knows things about you kulama murder cases, that's why wena ungaxoshisi indoda yakho. That's why ungayilahli. so that if anything happens bazothi uye. If anything, if bangamtholi uSkhotheni mfana wami bazokhuluma ngawo. What happened to lethwasana lakho wena wawujola naye? Ngicela umndeni wakhe lethwasana uphume, ningamsabi lo sisi. Phumani, ningamsabi lo sisi. Wena wabulala ithwasana lakho wena. Walidubula. Angisho ukuthi mina ngina red cases. Mina ngicela ukwakhipha, ngicela ukungena ku WhatsApp ningaphumi manje. Ngicela ukungena ku WhatsApp ngikhipha ama case number wakho. People must search these case numbers and we must know what happened. We must know what happened on my case. Is it lack of evidence? What's going on? We need to know. I need to know my case numbers. Our pum. Boy, this is for you, mfana wami. For sure la ukhona nokukhona. Awugaboli nokubol. Awugagayi na pants. Awugagabi na idlozi. But already kuyaduma igama lakho. This is for you, mntanami. Yes, mommy's gonna fight for you. I fought for you. Yes, mfana wami. I fought for you. Ngiyaza ukhona la ku TikTok kodwa kukhulunywa ngawe. Abo mama badala abana 88 bakhuluma ngawe. I'm fighting for you. I don't care whether I'm gonna be cancelled. I don't care you guys are gonna hate me. I don't care whether she's going to kill me. But ngiyakhuluma manje. If I am lying, Maweni, take me to court. If you don't have 2 cases that you killed Precious's husband, if you don't have a case you killed your Twasan, I pull me. Let me guys ngiyacela asibuze ema police station. Let's ask the state what happened. This cannot be another Senzo Meyiwa case because it's not ayiphumanga. Let's talk. Ngicela ukukhipha ama case number ningaphumi la ngiya ku WhatsApp ngiyathatha ama case number. I'm going to be safe mina. Ngiyakuza ungenze next mina. I'm going to be safe. Ngicela nibhale phansi le case number. Boy, this is for you. Yes mfana wami? Dala kufaka lo gogo. Yes? 3 times ngamphendula. This is for you, boy. Yes? This is for you. Ungithinte emsileni ntombazana. No one will come for that boy. That boy fought for impilo yakhe. Uzokhuluma the way afenga khona, uzokhuluma the way abulawe izono zami ziphi zona wena. Ziphi zona. Angengize ngikiyeke bengisakuthathela umoya, bengisase busy clubbing ngifaka ama light. Ngazo ngibangisani. I have never done anything to you. Nenhlizembe ukhohlakele wena, uyobolejele wena. I feel sorry for your husband because uyenza izinto because of you. Because of you. Lo sisi bekakushuta izangoma zodumo. She has a clip. Ngicela ikhiphe. Sorry ukumfaka. Ngicela ikhiphe. She has a clip la you were confessing. Ukhala sizikubambile ipoko zabanye abantu. Ukhala wena ukhalela ukuthi wabulala ubani bani. Guys khulumana ngifuna ukuba ngedwa. Yes ngingakhuluma ngedwa la ku social media but inbox me. Ngicela umndeni wakibo lethwasana inbox. Precious ngicela ungene la. Ngicela ungene. Ngicela ukunipha ama case number ngizombiza Precious no.